New contract highlights smart loitering munitions technology XTEND. A company specializing in AI-powered tactical drone technology has secured an $8.8 million contract from the U.S. Department of Defense's DOD, Irregular Warfare Technical Support Directorate, IWTSD. The contract focuses on delivering precision strike indoor and outdoor PSIO, small unmanned aerial systems, sUAS, a tactical advance in loitering munitions. The PSIO marks a significant step forward in tactical drone applications. This system is the first of its kind to receive approval from the U.S. DOD for use as an indoor and outdoor flying loitering munition platform. Using advanced artificial intelligence, it enables real-time precision strikes with minimal operator involvement. Designed for rapid deployment, the PSIO sUAS can operate in urban and open field settings. These drones enhance tactical flexibility, increase mission success rates, and reduce risks for military operators. Deliveries are expected to begin in the first quarter of 2025, following rigorous live-fire testing and safety assessments. The live-fire tests demonstrated the precision, reliability, and operational superiority of our Scorpio PSIO sUAS solution, said Aviv Shapira, founder and CEO of XTEND. This contract validates our technology's ability to address the complex challenges faced by modern defense forces. Collaboration with IWTSD, the PSIO sUAS, reflects 2 years of joint development between XTEND and IWTSD. This system has already been proven in recent global conflicts and is actively used by the Israel Defense Forces, IDF. Combining artificial intelligence with operational functionality, the PSIO sUAS enables military units to perform complex missions in challenging environments. We are honored to strengthen our partnership with IWTSD, Shapira added, highlighting the significance of this contract for advancing operational capabilities. Domestic production and compliance. The PSIO sUAS complies with the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, ensuring that it meets all necessary domestic production standards. Manufacturing will occur in the U.S., with facilities in Florida and North Carolina contributing to production. About XTEND. XTEND develops AI-driven drones and autonomous solutions for defense, law enforcement, and security applications worldwide. With a focus on situational awareness and actionable intelligence, XTEND systems are designed to succeed in complex environments. For more information, visit XTEND's website. This contract underscores the growing role of AI-driven loitering munitions in modern defense strategies, providing advanced capabilities to address the challenges of contemporary warfare.